Ever written a check? They're still a thing in 2024. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's face it, in our age of digital wallets and instant transfers, checks feel a bit, well, dated. But believe it or not, they're still a very common way to pay for things, especially for things like rent or car payments. Now, if you're new to the whole check writing world, or maybe you're just switching banks and need to figure out how to get new ones, you might be wondering, can I even order checks with my new online bank? Today, we're specifically diving into Novo, the popular online business bank. So, if you're a Novo user or are considering them, can you order checks through Novo? Let's find out. The rise of online banking and the question of checks. Online banking has exploded in popularity in recent years. With features like mobile deposits, instant transfers, and easy bill pay, it's no wonder more and more people are ditching the traditional brick-and-mortar bank. But here's the thing, even with all the bells and whistles of online banking, checks haven't completely gone extinct. There are still plenty of situations where a good old-fashioned paper check is the only way to go. Maybe your landlord is a bit old school and prefers paper rent payments. Perhaps you need to send a one-time payment to a vendor who doesn't accept online transfers. Whatever the reason, checks can still be a handy tool to have in your financial arsenal. So, about Novo and checks. Alright, enough suspense. Can you order checks with Novo? The short answer is no. As of today, June 11, 2024, Novo does not offer check ordering services. Now, before you hit that unsubscribe button, hear me out. There are a few reasons why this might be the case. Novo's focus, the modern business. First, Novo is designed specifically for freelancers and small businesses. These types of businesses tend to operate more in the digital realm, relying on online tools and services for payments and transactions. Checks are less common in the business-to-business world, so it makes sense that Novo wouldn't prioritize offering a service that might not be super relevant to their core user base. The security of paper checks. Another factor to consider is security. Paper checks can be more susceptible to fraud than electronic payments. Since Novo is all about helping businesses manage their money safely, they might be hesitant to offer a product that could introduce additional security risks. The future of Novo and checks. Now, does this mean Novo will never offer checks? Not necessarily. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and user needs can change. It's possible that Novo could introduce check ordering in the future if they see a demand for it from their user base. Alternatives to checks with Novo. But what do you do in the meantime if you need to make a payment that requires a check? Don't worry, there are still options. ACH transfers. Novo allows you to easily send and receive ACH transfers, which is an electronic way to transfer money between bank accounts. This can be a great alternative to checks for many situations. Bill pay. Novo also offers a bill pay service, which allows you to schedule and send electronic payments to your bills directly. Third-party check printing services. There are also online services that allow you to order checks and have them printed with your information. While Novo doesn't directly offer this, you can explore these services as an alternative. The final word on checks with Novo. So, while you can't order checks directly through Novo at this time, there are still plenty of ways to manage your finances and make payments electronically. Novo is a great option for freelancers and small businesses who want a modern, secure banking solution. They might not offer checks just yet, but their focus on digital tools and services makes them a strong choice for the way many businesses operate today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.